Johnny Mac here with the Sauce and Gravy channel. Are you ready for an easy weeknight one-pot meal? Then let me show you how to make an Instant Pot spaghetti. Buckle up, let's go. Break out that Instant Pot, hit the saute function button. Once it reads hot, then you're ready to begin. Pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grab a white onion, drop it in. That's about 1 cup or 110 grams finely chopped. If you don't have a white onion, you can use red or a yellow onion. Grab a flat bottom spatula, give it a little bit of a stir. You want these onions to be tender and translucent. Time to grab our friends the garlic. 3 garlic cloves, mince them nice and fine. This garlic press is awesome. It saves time and it absolutely minces it really well. But if you don't have one, you can use a knife, chop it up, throw it in. And then next we'll add a little bit of tomato paste. 3 tablespoons, in they go. And trust me, if you try this Instant Pot recipe, you're going to be truly amazed. You'll be blown away at how good it tastes, and then Mama Mia's gonna cry whenever she sees how easy it is to make this one-pot meal. You can make the ultimate pasta sauce in under 30 minutes any day of the week. Once the tomato paste is mixed in, add 1/4 of a cup or 63 milliliters of red wine. Give it a stir. Let it reduce down for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then add a little bit of dried basil. 1 tablespoon in it goes, and then a little bit of oregano, 1 tablespoon as well. Mix it in, let those flavors come out. Once it's all well combined, add 2 cups or 500 milliliters of vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, you can substitute with chicken broth or stock, or you can even substitute with water. For some additional flavor, add the tip of celery stock with the leaves, the more leaves the better, and then 1 bay leaf. Drop it on in. Time to add a little bit of pasta. This recipe's for about 3 to 4 people, so I'm using 8 ounces or 227 grams of spaghetti. Drop it on in. And then pour 1 28-ounce can, that's about 794 grams, of diced tomatoes over the top of the spaghetti. Throw in a little bit of salt and a dash of pepper to taste to this Instant Pot spaghetti recipe. We're about ready to cook this weeknight one-pot recipe. Grab a spatula, make sure that the spaghetti is well submerged in the liquid and covered by the tomatoes, and then add 1 notch of butter. Here we go, grab that lid, put it on the Instant Pot, make sure it's in locked position. Turn that steam release handle into the closed position. Hit the pressure cooker function button, change the time to 8 minutes, make sure it's on high pressure, and let it do its thing. Once it's done cooking, do a safe, quick release to remove the pressure. When there's no more steam coming out and that pressure valve drops, then you're ready to dive in and see what's inside. So there you go, looks good, everything's cooked well. Give it a little bit of a stir to mix in the sauce with the noodles. If you're looking for a quick weeknight meal, this Instant Pot recipe definitely would hit the spot. But as you're stirring it around, make sure to fish out that bay leaf. You can also take out that celery if you like, but it's not really a big deal because it's nice and soft anyway, so you can eat it, not a problem. But check it out, look at that mouth-watering spaghetti. It's super quick, super easy. You'll be amazed at how quick you can make this delicious meal. So that's how you make an Instant Pot spaghetti. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you like sauces, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button to learn new sauce and gravy making techniques. And if you like hearty Instant Pot meals, check out this chicken Alfredo sauce recipe or this Salisbury steak meatballs recipe.